Hey everyone, imagine you're driving smoothly, but when you try to use manual shift mode, nothing happens. You shift up or down but the gears don't respond. Suddenly the check engine light comes on and your scanner shows code P0959. This means there's a low voltage issue in the auto shift manual mode control circuit, which can cause gear shifting failure, limp mode, or transmission damage. In this video, we'll explain what P0959 means, where to find the sensors and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is DTC P0959? DTC P0959 stands for Auto Shift, Manual Mode Control Circuit Low Voltage. This means the Transmission Control Module, TCM, has detected an abnormally low voltage in the manual shift control circuit. The issue is usually related to a bad shift selector switch, loose wiring, or a failing TCM. Common symptoms of P0959. If your car has this code, you may experience manual shift mode not working, hard or delayed gear shifts, transmission stuck in one gear, limp mode, check engine light or transmission, warning light, unexpected gear changes. Sensor and component locations. Very important. Gear shift selector, switch location. Found inside the center console, directly attached to the gear shift lever. Function, sends manual shift signals to the TCM. Transmission control module, TCM. Location, usually located near the battery on the transmission housing or inside the dashboard. Function, controls gear shifting and manual mode operation, shift solenoids, A, B, C, etc. Location, located inside the transmission valve body, under the transmission pan. Function, controls hydraulic pressure for smooth shifting, input and output speed sensors. Location, mounted on the transmission case near the drive shaft. Function, monitors engine RPM and transmission speed, wiring and electrical connectors. Location, runs from the shift selector switch to the TCM and shift solenoids. Function, transfers voltage signals for shifting. What causes P0959? Common causes include 1. Loose or corroded wiring, causes low voltage. 2. Faulty gear shift selector switch, sends weak signals. 3. Malfunctioning TCM prevents proper manual mode operation. 4. Weak battery or alternator issues, leads to unstable voltage. 5. Damaged shift solenoids, affects hydraulic pressure. How to fix P0959? Step 1. Check the gear shift selector switch. Remove the center console cover and inspect the switch wiring. Use a multimeter to check for correct voltage. Step 2. Inspect the wiring and connectors, look for damaged, loose or corroded wires. Repair or replace any faulty wiring. Step 3. Test the battery and alternator, measure battery voltage, should be at least 12.6 V. Check alternator output for consistent charging. Step 4. Check the shift solenoids, remove the transmission pan and test solenoid resistance with a multimeter. Replace solenoids if readings are incorrect. Step 5. Reset the transmission control module, TCM. Use a diagnostic scanner to reset the TCM. Drive the car and check if manual mode is restored. Step 6. Clear the code and recheck. After repairs, clear the code using an OBD-II scanner. Test drive to confirm the fix. Final words. If your car has P0959, it means the manual shift control circuit is receiving too little voltage, which affects shifting. Fixing this issue early will restore normal shifting and prevent major transmission problems. For more troubleshooting, check out these videos. P078445, shift malfunction, P0785, shift timing, solenoid malfunction. This is IG Garage, your trusted source for car repairs. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.